today. Yes, your girl Kelly is right here once again to share with you the famous and popular popcorn recipe with you today, which is what? Caramel popcorn, guys. So let's jump right into it. So I preheated my skillet to 250 degree. Now I'm gonna put it a little bit higher to 350, and I'm gonna add my oil, just a little tiny oil. I'm adding my butter. After that, I'll add the popcorn. So at this point, I'm gonna lower the heat now back to 250. Now I'll go ahead and add my corn. I'll stir it. Make sure it's well coated with the butter and the oil. And I'm gonna cover it up. So this is under lower heat now. Beautifully popping up. So the popcorn is beautifully popping out now. I think it's almost done. It's almost done. So I'm gonna put my skillet off and toss this popcorn in a bowl. So the popcorn is well popped out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the caramel. And for the caramel, you need to be really fast. Set stuff up. I have 1 cup of sugar here and half cup of water. So till this point, you don't need to mix it yet because you don't want any crystallization on the side of your pot or on your spoon. You just watch it carefully until you are getting the amber brown color. Then you add the butter and start mixing it. Yeah, it's still boiling. So at this point, if you are tempted to like mix it, just lift your pot and move it around. Like if you are seeing any stain on the side of your pot, you just lift your pot and mix it. Just shake it a little bit and put it back down. So I'm still moving my pots, my skillet around to avoid any crystallization on the side of the pot or your skillet. As you can see right here, I'm having the yellowish or brownish color coming from the side. So this take patience, you just need to be patient, take a little bit time. it's getting brown, guys. So I'm gonna lower my heat a little bit, and I'll be adding the butter to it. Now I'm adding my butter. Time for the butter. So guys, at this point, make sure you don't stop stirring in, and use a heat-proof spoon, not a wooden spoon, because the caramel will get stuck onto your spoon. So at this point, there's no need to stop stirring until you see the bubble. You see those bubbles are going down, and it will get kind of creamy. Then you know that the caramel is ready, guys. Caramel is done, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss it on the popcorn. Yeah, this is it. Our caramel popcorn is ready, guys. White. Yeah, so guys, I pour it into the flat surface, because so first you pour it into a bowl, so you can mix the caramel onto it really well, so it can get incorporated really well. And after that, you pour it into a flat surface or on your baking sheet or whatever, to just help it to cool down. So after 5 minutes, it's ready. So this is it, ready to eat. So guys, we are done with our caramel popcorn today. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, the popcorn is beautifully coated with the caramel. It's crunchy, sweet, and delicious. Try it. Make this caramel popcorn for your kids. They will love it. They will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Be blessed and stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye bye.